Okay, this is what this beam is supposed to look like. And now that we have this apart, I'll go across here and show you what it looks like now. Over here where it comes down the wall, this part over here is still solid, still good, so this is going to stay. We're going to cut this off right here at this seam. Replace this beam all the way to the other side, which is 14 feet long. You can see the sag in the ceiling from the water sitting up there, leaking in to right here. You can see this is still all soaking wet. The rest of this beam is already fallen out and is laying down here. The only clue we had that this thing was leaking at all, being it was leaking inside the wall here. It's not wet on the outside, it's only wet on the inside. It was leaking directly on the beam. Dripping off of here onto the ceiling of this slide out here. It was running across the ceiling out there, across, and you see that little streak right there. That little streak right there coming down the wall. That's where a little bit of water ran down the wall. That's the first sign we had anything was leaking here. We pulled the thing back home. It's been sitting in the woods for about 7 months. So it's been there quite a while without anybody checking on it. And get it apart, and this is what we're finding. So it's going to be quite a process to fix this. Basically got to make a new laminated beam. It's 1.5 inches thick, it's 9 inches tall, it's about 15 feet long, which we're going to make here. Cutting this one out of here over here in the corner without tearing up these cabinets, that's going to be the real trick there. Same thing on that side over there. The beams going down in the wall and across the floor here are all good. It's just this main support right here. But you can see the whole ceiling is coming down. I can actually pick it up. So that's where we're at. I'm going to start chipping all this stuff out of here, getting all this wet wood and stuff out of here, get it cleaned up, see what we've got, and I'll record some more as we start repairing it.